Right, 4 days till we start, so it's getting there now. Just pottering about, doing little bits and pieces, trying to get ready for when this digger and dumper come. This is this gate here. Obviously, I'm not going to get digger and dumper through there, so I'm going to have to like sacrifice this, cut it off, and turn this into a big double gate just as a temporary thing, just till we've finished. And then I'll have to make good the fence. So today's weapons of choice are impact driver and chainsaw. If you thought you'd seen the last of the chainsaw, you're disappointed. Now this chainsaw I caught with the concrete the other day, so the blade's absolutely shot on it, but I'm not too bothered because I want to get low down on the bottom of that post as well, but I'll explain that in a minute. Oh, I told you chain was shot on that, didn't I? Right, so what the plan is to fix that to that post there. Yeah, I'm going to cut that off, pull that forward, put the hinges on there, one on there, one on there, cut the bottom of that post, stick a wheel on there because it's going to want to drop down, and hopefully that should open as one gate and I should be able to still close it at night time. So my van's off the road, so I've got really no fixings here. Got a few nails, got a couple of 250 screws which I might send through into that. If you just join, don't be put off by the roughness of what I'm about to do. It literally is a temporary measure, a very low cost. So I'm going to send these 250 screws straight through. Probably have to go and bend them over on the other side because they'll be coming through into the neighbours. Literally just to secure it to that. I think I'll just go have a look next door and see if I need to smash them off. No, we're all good. I seem to have a triple post there, so I've got post, post, post. There's like 300 worth of timber, and they're only 250. Right. What I need to do now is address this, because this is obviously concreted into the floor, carrying the weight of this gate, yeah? The reason why the brace goes the wrong way as well is the gate originally did hang on that side of the wall, but when I had it rendered, it was taken off to let the renderer get in, and I didn't want to put a big 4-inch post on there, so that was another temporary job. If you're in the trade, you'll know they never get finished. Right, so I'm going to get a chainsaw in there, cut that off, but before I do that, I'm going to have a look at this wheel situation, because I've got this wheel, because what's going to happen is the gate's going to want to drop, so that wheel's going to go on there. It's spring loaded, so what we'll do, we'll push it down, we'll fix it, and that should carry the weight of that, but let's see. I think this chainsaw's going to really struggle getting through here. I have got another one in the house, but I don't want to do the same with the blade again. Right, I'm just going to leave that there because I want to attach this wheel to take the weight of it. See if this will work. Well, that's annoying. The hole on the wheel is actually bigger than the head of the screw. Right, a couple of washers. Right, I'm assuming because that trapped the blade it's gone all the way through, but we'll have a look at that in a minute. So I've only ever fit one of these before, to be honest with you. I can't ever remember how I did it. So you try to push the spring and get the screw in at the same time. So what I did is lowered it down, put it on its side, screwed it, and then when I pulled it up it put tension on the spring. Probably a bit too much tension there, but we'll have a look anyway. Not sure how this bit's going to go now, so what I want to do is just cut straight down there and then pull that forward, but this blade has definitely seen better days. When I say blade, it's a chain. That'd be a massive screw. Best put the glasses on. Might not have known my life in this now. I'll just show you what of it. You can see in there, look, looks bigger than a little twist nail, to be fair. Not a twist nail, a little ring cut nail, but I sort of don't want to go through it. Have I got an handsaw? Doubt it. Nope, chainsaw it is. Well, luckily enough I parked the car far away. Jesus Christ. Progress comes at a cost. I tell you what, that'd have been a disaster, wouldn't it, for the Vic car? But I will show you what it has done to render. Right, that's screwed up. Let's have a look. Get rid of you. What I need to do now is just cut the feather edge there. It's just catching on that stump of that post, which has got to come out anyway. There we go. Right, when I get that ladder and crap moved there, that'll pull back, and I've got plenty of room there. A little bit of damage, I'll just show you. This is what happens when you work on your own and you're bodging stuff to make it work. So there, I've caught the bead on the render, so that will be a touch-up job when I get when I colour render the extension. Just marked it there a little bit. That'll scratch off, I think, no problem. At least didn't put the window through or damage the car. So some of you'll know me and some won't. But like what's just happened then is you're going to see that, you're going to see everything, because I'm not going to edit out all the crap and the bad stuff that happens, because this is our role, you know what I mean? This is, shit happens and we get past it, yeah. A little bit of damage, could have been a lot worse. Would have been handy if somebody were holding to the side of the gate. Wasn't expecting it to fall. I had a chainsaw in my hand, no way could I have grabbed it. Chainsaw were knackered anyway, so don't go like, I don't want abuse about that. It needs a new chain, and that's that. The saw's good, just needs a new chain. I caught the concrete the other day when I was cutting the fence down, so I wanted to cut it down low. But that's that. This is what you're going to see, real raw footage and how stuff happens, because this is what happens in real life. Next job. Right, that gazebo down there, don't know if you can see it. You can now. That gazebo down there, pergola, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so John's took claim of that, so I'm going to dismantle it. I don't know if you can see there, but it's on rods, which is floating above the floor. So in hindsight, that was a great thing to do, because I can just take it apart now, and he'll go build that elsewhere. Once we've done that, then we might remove some sleepers and just wait for the digger and dumper then. Let's have a look at the ramp. The ramp itself is, my brother come and sort of constructed this for me yesterday. He's a scaffolder. I put a row of blocks under there. What I'm thinking is I've got some more scaffold tube. I'm not sure how that's going to react there, so I might put another scaffold under there as well. And same on this side. Yeah, I've not put no blocks under that side yet. You can see moving. But that'll be it. Digger, dumper straight over there. Job done.